God bless you and welcome to Kingdom Bread Issachar Institute. That's when the moment demands the necessary. What do? You study to show yourself approved. Amen. And we want to invite you to register for the school. And Pastor Donna's got some information she's going to share with you.
We're so excited. We have moved to an all virtual platform. This is our second session. We just matriculated 10 awesome men and women of God who earned their Associate of Biblical Studies degree. Amen. We have partnered with Midwest College of Theology out of Missouri, and we are helping you to earn an associate or bachelor degree in biblical studies. Our classes are scheduled to begin Tuesday, March 2nd, and everything will be virtual. And so we invite you to inquire about more information. You can send an email to jesus@kingdombread.com, or you can call us on our line 833-BREAD4U. That's 833-273-2348. Classes are scheduled to begin Tuesday, March 2nd, 2021 at 7:30 p.m. and you don't want to miss it. So God bless you. I am Prophetess Donna Hall.
And I'm Apostle Jonathan Hall, Senior Pastor, Kingdom Bread International Church. And may God bless you and keep you is our prayer.